I started paddling 6 years ago and fell in love with it ever since.
It's just different from other sports.
We are competing as a sport against AFL, netball. You know, we're trying to keep them interested.
We're paddling the under-19s for Worlds. We all come together to elite camps. I'm the only one in Perth.
I don't have a girls team over in Perth, so I have to paddle with boys. I competed in obviously my boys crew, but whilst over there I had a team approach me and asked to join their team as a reserve in Bayside over in Brisbane. So I fly over for about a week every month.
The kids that have been selected have to travel for camps over the east side, Aotearoa here in Australia. They're our association that we all sit under, all the clubs, and they give funding to our kids in terms of travel assistance.
Mum and Dad used to do it back home when they were kids, and they just grew pretty much their whole time they were living and moving, paddling in Brisbane and now here. So I've got into it because of them.
So work on your starts, your finishes, your 500 overall race plan, yeah? Back then in 2002 we paddled for Mana Pacifica, Otaki and Hilo. And we only picked it back up here 2016 in Perth. We'll get back in touch with what we love, with what we know from back home. We're affiliated with the indigenous mob here, which is the Manjaro mob. All they asked us to do is to respect their waterways, is to pick up the sand and throw into the awa as acknowledgement and respect of their waters and their kaitiaki. And that's all we do, always acknowledge. Before we get into wakas, it's like home. You know, we have to get the blessing from the tangata whenua of Australia, because this is not our home. We are visitors here, so we understand that and acknowledge that.
Got into Waka Ama 7 years ago. My mum and dad just kind of got inspired by my coach, Levi, and myself a little bit, so then we can do it all as family.
A lot of hard work, just an experience of a lifetime.
We really need to work on building our rangatahi, our young ones, because there's not a lot of them. A lot of the young ones see us as a summertime fun sport and showing them where it can take them, because it can. It takes us all over the world if they want it, you know. Yeah.